9 real websites where rich people literally give away free money. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sure to catch your attention: 9 real websites where rich people literally give away free money. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, stick around because not only do I have proof, but I'm also going to show you a secret method that's been making me millions for over 23 years. I know what you're thinking: why would anyone give away free money? And it's easy to be skeptical. But trust me, there are indeed websites where people with deep pockets are willing to give away cash. We're going to go over some of those websites in just a minute, but first, a quick warning: most of the websites other people talk about aren't the best way to get free money. In fact, I've got a method that's far more profitable and guaranteed to work. So, if you want to learn how to get money on demand, you're in the right place. Let me give you a quick example. Just 5 days ago, a report came out where companies were paying as much as $2,500 just for watching Christmas movies. But here's the catch: the money only goes to a select few, so it's kind of like winning the lottery. Now, while some of these rich people giveaway websites do work, the method I'm going to share with you is much more reliable and, most importantly, it's something you can start with zero investment. Before we jump into the list of these free money websites, let me share a quick story from when I first started making money online. Back then, we didn't have all the resources, AI tools, or website lists that we have today. We relied on what we called hot sheets, which were tabloid magazines filled with ads. My friend and I would study these ads to learn how to get people to respond, and that's tip number 1: words on paper equal money. We found ads like these classified ones, or even big full-page spreads with multiple advertising blocks. The key takeaway? If advertisers were consistently paying for these ads month after month, they were making more money than they were spending. That's when it clicked: the real money was in advertising. But starting your own magazine is costly, so we had to find another way. And that's where the power of the internet comes in. Alright, now let's talk about these websites where you can supposedly get free money from rich people. We went through a ton of videos, and my team compiled a list of 26 different websites. But when we dug deeper, we found that most of them don't get much traffic, and some don't get any at all. The ones that do, like funding websites, require you to basically hit the lottery to get money. For example, more than 50% of GoFundMe campaigns don't receive any funding. And websites like BeggingMoney.com are on the decline, only getting around 145,000 visitors a month, mostly from people trying to get free money. And guess what? Just one of my websites gets that same amount of traffic, and I'm a pretty small operation. So why are so many people making videos about these sites? The truth is, it's all about traffic and views. But let's get back to the real strategy: creating something of value. Instead of hoping for a handout, you can create content that attracts the right audience, and that's where the money really is. Let me show you how this works. Let's say you want to create content around a high-demand topic like calories in KFC. With over 12,000 searches a month, it's a goldmine. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT or Bing AI to generate content quickly, post it on platforms like Medium, Pinterest, or even YouTube, and monetize it through ads or affiliate links. Just look at how much traffic these simple posts and videos are getting. This guy got 63 million views on a KFC burger video, and that's just one example. The best part? Posting on platforms like Medium, YouTube, or Pinterest is completely free. All you need to do is create valuable content, and the money will follow. So, if you're tired of chasing after money-making methods that don't work, it's time to change your approach. Focus on creating valuable content, and you'll start seeing results. And if you want more tips and strategies, make sure to check out the other videos linked in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.